How to send a Word document from an email. This is what you will learn in this video. So first of all, we are going to quickly create a Word document. Let's say this is the Word document that I am going to send via an email. So I have created that Word document, and now we'll follow the procedure that how would you send this through your email. I am using the Gmail. However, this method is almost same for all the email clients. So the step one is that you need to compose a new message. Click compose, and then here you need to write the name to whom you want to send. Let's say I want to send it to myself. You have to write it in front of two, right? So you need to know the email address of that person. So here you have to enter the email address, and then you need to give the subject. For example, this is, let's say I write CV for job, and then after the heading, this is the body of the email. Here you have to write the email. You have to tell your person that why are you sending this document. So now then you have to compose your email like I have written, hi, this is my CV for job, thanks. And once this message is also done, then you need to come on to the bottom and click this paper icon where the pop-up message would appear, attach files. Just click on this, and then you need to browse to a folder where your Word document is placed. If you are unable to access that, I would highly recommend that you first bring your Word document to the desktop, and then from there you can just click on to this Word document and then click open, and then you will see the documents being uploaded onto the server, and you will see the progress bar here. Once it is done, you will see the document name along with the KBs. Like my document was CV and it is 13 KBs. So now I am sure that this document has been attached. Now all you have to do is that press this send button, and your message will be sent. You will get the message sent, and you can also view your sent message like this one. This was my message, and this is the attached file. And since I have sent this message to myself, so I can go into the inbox and I can see that this is the message that I received, and now the other person would open your message and would download this document and would read the document that you have sent to them.